Okay, in this video I gave you different tips on what to do with your dryer to help out when you're putting it in, and also what end to put your crimped and uncrimped end of your vent. They recommend not using vinyl vents or those foil ones, those real thin foil ones, because they can choke up, clam up, bend up, catch the lint. Okay, so this is your crimped end, they call it. This is your uncrimped end. I would consider this the female end. Some people say it's female. It's a little wider. They're both 4-inch, but this is a crimped 4-inch, so it's a little bit tighter. Let's see with a ruler. Yeah, I mean, it's a little less than 4 inches. So this end, the smooth end, goes in your dryer. Of course, you're going to put on your ring clamp first. The smooth end goes in the dryer. Also, to make it easier, what a pain dryers are. I put this little white tape back here, not covering up any of these holes, but so if I want to look down when it's dark, I can see where that vent's going to end up. But so the uncrimped end goes in the vent, and then it's going to go in. The crimped end's going to go into your wall where your exhaust vent is. Now, this is uncut, brand new. This is uncut. You can cut this and then put 3 little slits in it. You cut it with a razor blade first. I'm not going to do it. And then you cut it with tin snips. And they're like scissors that cut metal, designed to cut metal. If you want to make it smaller. It's tough. I'm afraid to slice my fingers. But anyways, I got my plug over here. Another trick I want to show you, I put my dryer on rollers, a rolling plywood with wheels underneath, locking wheels. They have 4 little locking wheels, but kind of like this thing here. You get this for 10 bucks at Harbor Freight. The wheels. My front 2 wheels on this dryer underneath this board here is locking. But also another thing I decided to do, because dryers are such a pain, and I don't have that great a house anyways, but thankful for what I do have. I cut out a hole in the wall so I can see my dryer vent. Let's see if I can get this. I'm gonna have to turn my camera sideways. But anyways, I can reach through this hole in the wall here and take care of my dryer vent and my plug without having to reach behind there if I don't want to pull out my washer. But the ideal way is to do all your dryer work first before you do your washer, because then you'll have more room to work. There's nothing to putting a washer in, but the dryer, you have to reach behind there and put a vent in. Well, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe.